After opening the photo, create a new layer and name it brush. Then brush over the subject. When you finish brushing, open the action panel and play the action. There is two different versions. One is CS6 and one is CG. Okay, if your photo is distorted, then reduce the cleanliness from oil paint effect. Okay, and reduce the areas from unsharp mask.
Got you thinking
Yeah, it now looks good. Okay, so you can save now. Also, you can also change the background as you like. So you can change the gradient, or also you can add any photo. So I'm choosing this. Okay, so now resize it and save. So here is the final preview.